Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a pickle called Magai, which is very famous in Andhra Pradesh. For this I have taken one mango and a half a cup of rock salt. I have warmed the rock salt in a kadai and powdered it coarsely, mixed the turmeric and kept. For this first we have to peel the skin of the mango and then chop it. I will peel and chop and show. Now I have peeled the mango thoroughly. There is no green part of the green skin of the mango in it. Now I will chop and show you. Now I have chopped the mango thoroughly. See, I have taken all the pulp of the mango. The pieces should be like this. Now take a container, any container, plastic or if you have glass jar, any container, you take it. First add some salt and turmeric mixture to the container and then add some mango pieces, then add some of the salt and turmeric mixture. Same thing you continue. Be very careful, there should not be any water or wet hands, or salt should not be wet. Mango should be washed and dried thoroughly. There should not be any water content in any of the item, or else pickle will spoil. Same thing you continue. Now I have added all the mango pieces layer by layer. One layer mango, one layer mixture of salt and turmeric. Now at the last also you add salt and turmeric mixture. For this one mango, quarter bowl of salt is enough. So now this should be covered with a cotton cloth and kept for overnight. Now this mixture should be covered with a cotton cloth and it should be tied tightly. It should be marinated overnight. Then next day morning, both water and the pieces should be sun dried in the terrace or balcony. Wherever you get sunlight, you keep it in the sunlight. Then I will show the procedure. Now I have marinated the mango slices whole night and I am removing this cloth. Now what we have to do, we have to take out this mango slices in a plate. We have to separate this mango slices and the water. See, you can see the water. See, we have to separate this and sun dry both. I will take out all these slices in a plate and keep both the water and the slices in the sun for whole day. Then we will show the procedure. We should strain all the water from the mangoes and collect it in this same container. Now I am going to close this again with this white cloth and I will cover this and tie and keep it in the sun for drying. Both these mango slices and this water whole day I will keep it in the sun and then we'll show the next procedure. After sun drying, the mango slices look like this. I have taken this and the water of the mango slice which I showed in the morning. So ingredients for this magai are 1 cup of groundnut oil. Groundnut oil will be the best in this magai. Fenugreek seeds, we have to fry and powder it. Jaggery according to the taste. Red chili according to the taste. Mustard seeds, we have to fry this and powder it. Slightly smashed garlic and hing for tempering, a bowl for mixing the magai. Now we will go to the procedure. Now switch on the stove. Take a pan. We will dry roast this methi seeds first. I am not going to use all these methi seeds. I am just taking one spoon of the powdered methi seeds. Grinder, it won't be grind nicely. 1 spoon of methi seeds. That's why I have taken a cup of methi seeds. Let it fry until it becomes light brown. Now it has done. We'll take it into a plate. Now I am taking mustard seeds and we will fry until it is done. When the mustard seeds start splattering, you just take it out from the stove and take it in a plate. Let it cool. By the time mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds cool, I will heat the oil for the pickle. For this, half a cup of groundnut oil is enough. Let it heated. When the oil get heated, add hing, at least a half a spoon of hing, and then 1 spoon of mustard seeds for tempering. Let the mustard seeds crackle, then we will switch off the stove and let the oil cool. Now the mustard seeds are splattering. At this stage, we will switch off the stove and add the garlic pods and let it cool. Now we will take these mango slices in the bowl for mixing. We will mix all the ingredients and keep it in a airtight container. First, mango slices which we have sun dried, and then its water. Mix it thoroughly and add to it. Now half spoon of fenugreek seeds. For 1 mango, half spoon is enough. Sorry, I have powdered and put the fenugreek seeds. This is fried and powdered mustard seeds. This is 1 spoon is enough. Then chili powder, 2 spoons of chili powder is enough for this. Then we will add this, mix it thoroughly. We will mix and show the next procedure. Now I have mixed it thoroughly. Now time to add 1 spoon of jaggery. Now this should be mixed thoroughly. Mixed the jaggery in this mixture thoroughly. Now time to add the heated and cooled oil to it and mix well. Now I have mixed all the ingredients thoroughly and it's time to keep it in a airtight container. Now the Andhra special magai is ready. After mixing all the ingredients, you keep it in a airtight container and daily, for 3 days daily just shake the container and keep it. After 3 days you can use it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.